Came across a LUF file and want to read its contents? This is a text-based document from a specialized text processing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Lipikar uniform files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional LUF file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. LUF files are uniform format text files associated with Lipikar, a specialized text processing application. They contain structured text data with consistent formatting used for document processing, transliteration, or multilingual text handling in specialized linguistic workflows. LUF files use Lipikar's text format, which may include Unicode encoding for multilingual support, standardized formatting markers, and structural metadata. The uniform aspect refers to consistent format conventions enabling reliable text processing across different scripts and languages. The essential opener for the LUF structure is Lipikar, developed by Santanu Ghosh. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows offers smooth compatibility with nearly all basic text types. This LUF file is tricky, so let's test thoroughly. Right-click it and choose Open With. If Lipikar is there, use it first. If not, choose a different app and continue the test. If the LUF file won't open, don't panic. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in Lipikar. Install Lipikar from the original software vendor and launch the application. Use File then. Open to load the LUF file. Lipikar displays the text with proper script rendering formatting and any embedded structural elements ready for editing or further processing. Next, viewing in Text Editor. Open the LUF file in Notepad++ VS Code or any Unicode-aware text editor to view the contents. Most LUF files use UTF-8 or UTF-16 encoding for multilingual text. Configure the editor to use the correct encoding to properly display non-Latin scripts. Finally, converting to standard formats. Within Lipikar, use the export function to convert LUF files to plain text RTF or other standard formats. The exported documents open in any word processor, preserving the textual content, though specialized formatting markers may be simplified during conversion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.